Okay, guys, let's go to example 2. And you're going to like this, guys. This is a horizontal translation, meaning that the line, the parent line that we have, or any line that we have, we're going to move it to the right or the left. Okay, it really depends on how we look at it. So let's start with example 2. This time is a little bit different, guys. We're going to do here, the formula for this is going to be when you have something like f of x. So this is the formula right there. Right about there, guys. This means that if you have a g of x, it's really important to see the transformation, horizontal translation. It's going to depend on, you're going to go inside the x, guys. Got to have a parenthesis minus whatever a factor you're going to have. This is a horizontal factor. So you're going to have minus x minus h, meaning that you're going to go directly to the x value, regardless of whatever other vertical shifts or vertical translations there are. You have to substitute a parenthesis just like that. Okay. Now let's be very, very candid and careful here because of the following a little detail right here. It has to have a negative, guys. So if you're going to move to the right, then think about this, guys. You're going to put a let's say if you have something like let's say you're going to go to the right, an example, let's say you have g of x and you're going to go x minus something, and I want to go to the right, then with all my heart, guys, if I'm going to go to the right, I'm going to put a plus 1 if I want to move that to that. So really what I have here is g of x equals to x plus 1, even though I mean, not plus 1, sorry about that. It's x minus 1 because a negative times positive is a negative, okay? So it's going to be like that. It looks like a negative. It should be moved to the left, but really, it will move to the right. Meaning that if I had a parent, this is the parent, that will be f of x. And I need to move it to the right once, guys. That means, guys, that I need to come here and I want to move it one time right here. And if I move it to the right once, then I know that I will have something like this. See? There it goes. Because I moved to the right once to the right, and this will be exactly g of x equals to x minus 1. Okay? It's one of those interesting facts, guys. And if I was to go to do, instead of going to the left 1 unit, so then I will go like this. I will go to the left. So let's say I'm going to go here, and I want to say, okay, what if g of x equals to x, that's the formula right there, but I'm going to move to the left, guys. And this time I'm going to put a negative 1 right there. See that? That a negative and negative is going to be a positive. So really what I have here is g of x equals to x plus 1. But really, even though it says plus 1, I'm moving to the left. So if I get the parent right here, if I get the parent again right there, that's the parent, that's f of x. And g of x, see, this is deceiving. Be very careful right there, guys. Because of this, you really the factor h, this h right there, guys, is minus 1. So I'm going to move this to the back once. I had to move it once. So I'm going right about there. So I go to the left, right, 1 unit right there. So there I move to the left. See? This goes to the right, even though it looks like a negative right there. This looks a positive, but it's moving to the left. It's one of those catch-22s that you need to be really careful because of the formula. The formula is this one right there, guys. It's x minus h, in which you leave the negative right there, and it plays a huge, huge role, okay? So with that in mind, let's go to the next. Let's go to case. I'm in example 2 right here, guys. Okay, so we're going to go to example 2, and it's a horizontal translation, guys. But however, let's remember the formula. The formula that we have is for anything, for any translations, is f of x equals to x minus, and that's the key, h. Okay? So here, they say describe the translation when g of x is x minus 5. Please remember, how can we get x minus 5 if we have right there, if we were to have, let's see, x minus right there, and how can I get a minus, a plus 5 right there? If and only if, guys, I go here and I have a minus 5. See that? That's the only way. So really, I'm moving the parent to the left. Okay, to the left. I'm going to move it. Okay, so g of x, to move it, I'm going to move it 5 units to the left. So if I had a parent right there, let me just come over here and grab it. That's mama right there. Sorry, that's f of x. I need to move her to the left 5 units. And it's one of those tricky ones like we mentioned before. Okay, so I'm gonna move it to the left. You see here, I'm gonna move to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there, guys. And this is what it will look like. It will be a parallel line. It will be a parallel line, but to the left. And you can see it better, guys, if I come right there. Okay, you can see it right here even better. Let me just go here real quick. You can see it in which we have f of x right here. Can you see it? And now here you can see 5 units here. See, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, and that's g of x. See this space between these two, guys, can you see it? It's negative 5, and you move to the left. Okay, so real quick, bless me. So if I was to just do a really quick check, guys, if I was to do a quick check to make sure that I understand over here, what if I have x plus 12? Well, now just going real quick to here, guys, you will understand that to get this, I'm going to go x minus, and the only way I can get that, guys, over here is if I go here and I go, well, the only way I can is if I move to the left 12 times. See that? Because a negative times negative will give me the positive that I need. I need to understand that I'm moving 12 units to the left. So if I was to graph this just in a very synthetic manner, I will have this will be mom right there, f of x, and I'm going to move, guys, 12 times to the left. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 right there. And that will be mom right there. I mean, that will be the daughter, g of x, because you move to the left 12 times, even though it looks like x plus 12. Be careful on that one, okay, guys? And you will be fine. And we're done with that. Isn't that wonderful?